In this video, I show you how to fix Roblox disconnected lost connection due to an error code 257 leave problem on Roblox apps. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now check that Roblox is up to date or not. Search Roblox. Now up to date Roblox app if available any update. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Roblox. Click on Roblox. Now click on force stop. Then click on OK. Now tap on store doesn't catch. Then tap on clear storage. Then tap on delete. Now open your Roblox app. Now log into your account. Now play any video. Now play any game. Now I hope that this method fix Roblox lost connection due to an error code 257 problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.